So guys, here we are with another one of our hacking videos. Today we'll be hacking Clash of Clans. It's not actually a hack, but the use of APK known as the Clash of Heroes. For any confusions, the app is not developed by me. I'm not the owner, and I'll be providing you with the original link in the description below. Let's check out the app. No, that is not that good because I'm connected to Geo in a remote area. Well, not in a remote area, but in my college where the Wi-Fi is restricted. So here that game is loaded. You can see I have so many of coins. Let's check it out in detail. Let's go to treasury, and you see here we have so many gems, coins, and this is the purple elixir and the black elixir. Well, the coins may seem a little less, but I have used them. In original, you will get plenty of coins, so you can use it accordingly. Let's buy something from treasury. Like I have brought the gold, and you see my gold is brought to be maximum. Now for the attacking part, you can see I don't have much of the units right now. It's only this much, but as soon as I go to attack, whoa, I have these many units. Well, for the troops, you can just select any of them, like a dragon, and just send it there. But it's very handy. You can beat any opponent, like literally any opponent, because no opponent is stronger than thousand dragons, thousand ice wizards, and so many of these troops. For now, I'll just end the battle, and I'll just return to home. Even if I have used them, I can show you that if I attack again, I still have all the thousands of dragons. Well, that's it. And one more thing. Uh, if we go to the attack section and then search this, there's a bug. It takes about 5 minutes to locate a server opponent because it has to connect to the server of Clash of Clans, which is a heavy task for this app. For this fix, I'll try to fix it, and if I couldn't, I'll ask the app developer if he can. So let's just return to home for now, and guys, thanks for watching.